You guys, a rare phenomenon right here. Yeah, well, right to the triple. This is a rare phenomenon. The bird has moved. And look at it. I'm gonna show you the bird moving. I'm trying to spot the bird right here. Picked up that twig. Just picked up that twig, guys. Did you guys see that? He has that twig in his mouth. That bird has that twig in his mouth.